Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for KDA. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high here on the candle closes. We also notice a key support level right here where price came down and stalled before breaking through. Now, if price reverses here and continues up, we expect to see a reaction around this level as it's obvious to spot here on the monthly chart. So, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. Now, here in the weekly, we can see more clearly as we fine-tune this level, the multiple reactions to the level acting as support and resistance. Now, we also notice a key level right here on this swing high as price hit and reversed drastically. Now, looking at more recent price action, we notice a key level right here and key level right here, as this is our swing low and most recent swing high, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. Now, zooming out, we can also plot a key level here where price found support as it held above, and we notice the wick reacting to all of our other key levels here. We can also plot in this weekly swing high on the candle closes, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly. So, looking at our chart, these are all of the key levels plotted. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.